Welcome to One World. A world where you can fly in a sky without borders, where you can choose from over 950 destinations. A world where you can marvel at artistic wonders, admire the big city nights, and experience seamless travel like never before. A world of endless possibilities, spectacular vistas, and access to over 600 lounges. A world where we can climb higher, reach further, and go the greater distance. For we are the 15 elite airlines, the pioneers of the skies, and the givers of greater rewards for every mile. Set the compass for destination anywhere and everywhere. Welcome to a bigger world. Welcome to One World. Qatar Airways, a proud member of the One World Alliance.